Now in this video we shall see the next binary operation. In binary arithmetic, lastly we have seen binary addition. Now the next, number B, this is binary subtraction. How the binary numbers are subtracted from one another. So the four basic rules for subtracting the binary numbers are given below here. First rule is this one: 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 0, it is equal to 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. And 0 minus 1, that is 1. But here in this subtraction, 0 minus 1 we have to take 0 minus 1, it is equal to 1. But we have to take borrow 1 with borrow 1. That means 1 is borrowed from the left column. Yes, in this operation 1 0. 0 minus, while we take 0 minus 1 this operation, we have to borrow 1 from the left column. So 1 0 minus 1, this is actually decimal 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. And what we do here, we have to borrow 1. So these are the four rules which are used in this binary operation called the binary subtraction. Yes, let us understand this binary subtraction by considering some examples. So example is like this: perform the following binary subtraction. First is 101 minus 011. Second one 110 minus 101. And third one 11 minus 10. So one by one we shall see all these subtractions. So first of all, 101 minus 011, this A part. 101 minus 011. So 101 minus 011. What is 101? It is decimal 5. What is 011? It is decimal 3. And if we perform the decimal operation, decimal subtraction, we get 5 minus 3 equal to 2. The same number we have to get in binary also. Yes. So we perform the operation. 1 minus 1. Here it is 0. Sorry for this. 1 minus 1. It is 0. 1 minus 1, 0. This 0 minus 1, for this 0 minus 1, we have to borrow this 1. And if we borrow this 1, it gets 1 0. And 1 0 minus 1, that is 1. By this rule, 1 0 minus 1, it is 1. And if we borrow 1 from here, from this column, here it becomes 0. Yes. So 0 minus 0, it is 0. So the subtraction we are getting 0, 1, 0. And 1 0 is what? It is 2. Similarly, we can have the second B. Yes. B is 110 minus 101. 110 minus 101. 110 is decimal 6. 101 is decimal 5. So subtraction, decimal subtraction is 6 minus 5 divided 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. So we have to get 1, subtraction 1. So here 110 minus 101. So 0 minus 1. For this 0 minus 1, we have to borrow 1 from here. And if we borrow 1 from this column, it gets equal to 1 0. So 1 0 minus 1, it is 1. And for this, here it is 0. So 0 minus 0, it is 0. 1 minus 1, it is 0. So 0 0 1, this is the subtraction, or this is the answer for this subtraction. 0 0 1 is this one, 1. Third one, 1 1 minus 1 0. This one, 1 1 minus 1 0. So here also 1 minus 0, it is 1. 1 minus 1, it is 0. So we get this subtraction 1. So 1 1 is decimal 3. 1 0 is decimal 2. Subtraction is decimal 1. 3 minus 2 equal to 1. Decimal subtraction I have written here. So this is all about the binary subtraction. The third one, binary multiplication. Third arithmetic operation is binary multiplication, and it is also simple. We understand this binary multiplication with the help of some examples. 1 or 2 examples we take for this multiplication. Perform the following binary multiplication. The first one is 1 1 multiplied by 1 1, and second one 101 multiplied by 111. So A part 1 1 multiplied by 1 1. 1 1 multiplied by 1 1. What is 1 1? Here this 1 1 binary, it is equal to 3 decimal. Here also 3 decimal. 3 into 3, 9 decimal. So product of 3 and 3 we get decimal 9. So same figure we have to get here. We have to get here. So 1 multiplied by 1 1. I have written here 1 into 1 1. 1 into 1 1. I have made here. So this position I have to left behind. Yes. So what happens here? Again we have to multiply this 1 to this. 1 1 multiplied by this one. So 1 1 multiplied by this one. Again we have to get get here 1 and 1. 1 into 1 1. 1 into 1 1. So this is called, this part is called partial products. First partial product, second partial products. These partial products we add together and get the final answer. So 1, here it is as it is. 1 plus 1, that is 2. And 2 for that 2, 1 0. 1 0, 0 is here and carry 1. Here carry 1 plus 1. This is 2, 1 0. That 2 is 1 0. So 1 0 0 1. It is nothing but it is a decimal 9. Second one, second multiplication is 101 multiplied by 111. And what is 101? 101 is decimal 5 and 111 is decimal 7. So 5 multiplied by 7, it is decimal 35. And same figure we have to get here also in the binary. So 1 multiplied by 101, it is 101. This place I left behind, and again I multiply this one with this 101. So 1 multiplied by 101 is again 101. This one multiplied by 101, again I get this 101. I add all these partial products. So if we add all these partial products, we get the answer 1 1 0 0 0 1. So 1 here, 0 plus 1 1 here, 1 plus 1 1 0, here 0 I write and carry 1. This carry 1 plus 1, that is 1 0. 0 I write here and carry I take here. 1 plus 1 1 0. So the product is 1 0 0 0 1 1, and this is nothing but this is decimal 35. The answer is 35 decimal. Now the fourth binary operation is binary division. As we perform the division in decimal number system, we have to find here the answer of this division. So we consider these examples. Perform the following divisions. Which divisions? Binary divisions. Binary divisions like this. First example is 110 divided by, here 110 divided by 11 and 110 divided by 10. So these divisions also we perform in like in decimal we perform. So 110, this 110 divided by 11. Yes, and the division I have made here 1 multiplied by 11. I have divided this figure by 1 and division is 1. So 1 multiplied by 11, I get here 11. Subtraction is 0 0. I get this 0 here. Yes, and as there is no division with this 0, I write this 0 as it is. So 1 0, this is the division. This is the answer, and 0 0 0, this is the remainder for this division. So 1 0, this is the answer we are getting. And if we write this division in decimal, so 6 is what? 110, it is decimal 6. Yes, and 11 is decimal 3. So 3 into 2, that is 6. 6 minus 6, 0. So this is the decimal part here. I have written this division in decimal form. Yes, same we can have with this division also. I have to write here 110 divided by 10. So 10 here. So 1 multiplied by 10. 1 multiplied by 10, it is 10. And if I get subtraction, 11 minus 10 is 0 1. I take this 0 as it is, so it becomes 10. and again I write here 1 multiplied by 1 0, it is again 1 0. So 1 0 minus 1 0 0. So we are getting here 1 1 as the division and 0 0 as the remainder. So here this 1 0 is 2, 1 1 0 is 6, and we get this division 3. So 2 into 3 6, 6 minus 6 0, this is the division. So all these are the arithmetic operations. Which operations? Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. All the 4 operations we have seen in this article, that is called binary arithmetic. Here it completes the binary arithmetic. Okay, thank you.